Hi everyone, my name's Genesis and I'm a former SIMI student. Throughout your summer here, you'll be required to produce a 1 to 2 minute video on your lab's research. On a daily basis, you'll often be doing small experiments, protocols, and procedures. It's important to always make clear connections between these, your lab's research question, and the real-life application. In this video, I'll be going over with you what your video should consist of. It should have 3 main components: an introduction, a main section, and lingering questions. To begin, in your introduction, you should introduce yourself, mention who your lab mentor or PI is, as well as talk about what type of research lab you're in. Is this a transplant lab? Is this a diabetes, pain, or treatment lab? Last but not least, you also want to mention what your lab's research question is. In the main section of your video, you'll need to make strong and clear connections between your lab's work, your lab's research question, and the real-life application. If you need help making those connections, think of your lab work being a piece of the building blocks of your lab's research. Basically, if your lab work wasn't conducted, how would this affect your lab's research question? Would it remain unanswered? If so, how would this impact the real-life application? This is all connected. You just need to find where your piece fits in the puzzle. Let's now look at a video in which a student makes clear connections.
After the experiment, I collect data through staining.
Here we see that the student talks to us about what his lab work is.
This is why my lab is wondering what can be done in order to improve organ preservation time and their usability.
He also mentions what his lab is trying to answer.
Do you know how long organs can be kept in storage before the transplant operation? Kidneys are about 30 hours, as pancreas are 12. Past these points, the organs become unusable.
And how this all relates to the real world. Throughout your summer here, you will conduct a lot of research. You will be given the opportunity to ask questions you're truly curious about. These questions are related to your lab work, but are not exactly your lab's research questions. So wrap up your video by asking as many questions as you would like. I hope this video helped you understand your assignment better. Good luck with your research and with your videos. Have a curious summer, everyone.